Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at a Levin Travel Power Center. Now, this is pretty slick. This is something you don't see very often. This is a surge suppressor with USB power. Check this out. This is really slick. We have the Levin logo. We have 4 110. It's good for 1700 joules. And we have our USB powers. If you'll notice, we have 2 standard USB 2 on the left, 1 volt or 5 volt, 1 amp, and 2 of the higher powered for your later devices. 2.4 amps each. Okay, these are all marked white USB 2. You'll just have to remember that the ones on the right are the ones with the mate. Let's see if we got anything in here. Negative. Have I got anything to charge up? Let's charge something up. Well, let's go get the charge meter. Okay, we've got our 1700 joule Levin surge suppressor plugged in, turned on, and we do have a blue activity light. How about that? Okay, we got plenty of juice. Let's see what we got here. Have our USB meter. Let's look at the low end first. Okay, 5.9, 5.19, 5.19, 5.19, all the way across. Okay, jacking into the first port, 5.19. We have a multiple device here. This got a huge internal battery that feeds all this other equipment. Okay, and it's kind of hungry. It's taking 1.5 amps, 1.62 amp. Let's see, yeah, there we go. 1.62 amp. That's out of port 1. Let's move over here to one of the high amperage ports. Okay, we have the same draw reading. That's not terribly unusual. Okay, let's add something to it. We have a huge battery here. 2 amps in. Okay, what do we got? Yeah, that picked it up a little bit. This isn't too terribly thirsty, I guess. He said it was pretty full. Gave us all 4 lights. Okay. You know it will feed what it wants. Okay, we'll just Levin 4 outlet, home office smart charger, 4 AC port and 4 USB ports. And a 1.5 meter cord. I guess that's 5 foot. That's pretty cool. I think I'll get one of those with the 8 port and put it in the office here.